Okay, let's go through it together. Make sure you, so you guys can be sure that you're playing the right stuff. So I'm gonna play just the chords on the right hand and roots on the left hand. Here's your E minor 7. We count 4, and you guys can play along if you want, or you can just observe. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor 7. Now we're gonna go to the A7 and to the D major 7. So that's the 2, 5, 1. Then on measure 5, I'm supposed to have a type B for D minor 7. Right, so here's D minor 7, G7, C major 7. On measure 9, we have C minor 7, F7, B flat major 7. Now we have the 5 chords that are not part of a 2-5. So the stuff I gave you, the options I gave you there, I mean, they're suggestions, but you don't have to do that, you know. So if you, for instance, on G there, if you did go to B type, it would look like this, and then you would go to A type for E minor, and A type for F7, and B type for B flat. Now you could have gone, if you wanted to go to G minor type A. So I'm going to go back to measure 9. Check it out. Measure 9, I have C minor 7, F7, and B flat. So if I wanted to go to A type for G minor, it would look like this. Right? 3, 7, 9. So, and if I did that, I would probably, for E minor 7, I could still go up and go to B type. I mean, it's not still, that's the opposite of what I said before, right? Or I could go from G minor A type to E A type and then A type. So G minor 7 could go either way, really. The other two maybe make more sense to you. I don't know. And then here's B flat major 7 B type, A7 A type, 3, 7, 9. That puts you right back to E minor, really close by right there for the top of the song. Now the very last line is just the 2, 5, 1. So that one is a little easier. Any questions about these chords? Nope. All right.